Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you and show you what to do if your auto brightness is not working in your POCO M8. We can actually say POCO M8, yeah, that was funny. At first go to the settings and now scroll down to the display brightness. Here, as I can see, make sure that you do have this option enabled. It's just a simple mistake, but sometimes you may have your option disabled, and it's always better to make sure that it's enabled. If it is, just disable it, enable it, disable it, enable it, disable, enable. Set brightness to the highest, disable, enable. Do this a couple times and check if it works. As you can see, it does work easily. If it doesn't, you need to take a microfiber cloth with yourself. Maybe not microfiber especially, but soft cloth. And to dry, of course, just a normal cloth. And wipe the camera and ambient light sensor over here at the front. Once it's done, your auto brightness should automatically be working, as you can see. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to restart your phone to refresh the sensors. To do so, hold on these buttons, hold power and volume up, and move this white dot to power off completely your device. This should help you. If it still doesn't, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!